Morning children, this is the English video session for class 6. We are now going to do the book The Pact with the Sun. We are going to read The Friendly Mongoose chapter 2. Again I repeat, Pact with the Sun book, The Friendly Mongoose. Okay, shall we go? Yes. You are all familiar with the story of the mongoose, but now find out how it happens, how exactly you have to represent it in the form of stories in the English form. Farmer, his wife and a small child lived in a village. There was also a baby mongoose in the house who they believed would be their son's companion, friend in the future. One day, the farmer and his wife went out, leaving the child alone with the mongoose. Okay. See the picture, children. Are you able to see the picture? Yes. Can you see the baby sleeping? And you can see the lady going out? Yes. And you can see the man sitting. Are you able to see the mongoose? Very nice. Okay, and now let's get into the story part. Okay, yes, read it once. Before you start the story, you have to read, all of you, the entire text, The Friendly Mongoose, and then attend the class. Okay, now again, once a farmer and his wife who lived in the village with their small son. They loved him very much. We must have the pet, the farmer said to his wife one day. When our son grows up, he will need a companion. This pet will be our son's companion. His wife liked the idea. So, it's a lone child. So it needs to have a companion. Every time the mother and the father cannot be there with him. So what the farmer suggested was, let him have a companion. And they felt, and he felt, the farmer felt that the baby mongoose would be a perfect companion to him. Okay? Yes. One evening the farmer brought him a tiny mongoose. What is the size of the mongoose? It's so tiny. Okay, and because it's a small baby, and this one will be a very good friend if it grows. It is a baby mongoose, said the wife. How can it be there? But will soon grow, fully grown. It will be a friend of our son. So once it grows, it will become the friend of our son. This is what they think. Okay, did you understand? Now underline the words which I say. Believed. Believed. Second line. See at the top? Second line. Believed. Companion. Companion. Yes. Idea. Idea. Baby mongoose. Okay, fully grown. Now tell me the meaning of these words. First see the word believed. B-E-L-I-E-V-E-D. Most of the times when children write believed, it will be E-I. So the moment they understand, believed, they should not make mistakes henceforth. Okay. Now write that word 5 times, all of you. Believed. Underline that word. Write it 5 times in your classwork. What is the meaning of believed? Yes, they had in their mind and it was their conviction. Okay, they believed. Belief should come from within. Yes. Understood? Next word, write. Companion. Write the word COMPANION. Companion. Okay? Please write. What is a companion? A friend, a person together or anyone together is called a companion. Is it clear? Here, who is the companion? The mongoose. Okay. The mongoose is the companion. For whom? The child. Is it clear, children? Yes. Clear? What is the meaning of tiny? T-I-N-Y. Look at the word. Tiny. T-I-N-Y. What is the meaning of tiny? Tiny means small. Very small. What is the meaning of tiny? Very small. Clear? Yes. What is fully grown? Fully grown means it comes as an adult. From baby, it grows and becomes an adult. That is called fully grown. Okay? Yes. Friend is you can also give the term as friend. Okay, children? Yes. Now, did you understand these two? Now tell me what all you saw. There is a farmer in the village. There is a wife and just a child is born. And the farmer feels that there should be someone company and he says this company will be mongoose and he brings a tiny baby mongoose and felt that once it is grown it will be a good friend for our son, companion. Till this you are clear? Did you write the word companion 5 times? Did you write believed 5 times? Yes? Yeah. Did you write? Fully grown, idea, tiny. These 5 words you have to write. Did you do it? Yes. Tomorrow when you come to the class, you have to read page number 5. Okay? Page number 5 and page number 6 and come. I'll be doing it. Okay, children? Thank you. I now complete this class. I am completing. You start from tomorrow. You come prepared with all the things and the words which I have asked you to write. Please write and come. Okay? Bye, children.